So we had met with Caroline, who is the seller of Watauga Street here, and now we're with the new buyer, Magda, who closed yesterday on this house. And we're doing the chop the top, where we're going to add a second floor in the house. So Magda, welcome to your new home.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. I'm very excited about it.
Tell us what drew you to this neighborhood in Mordecai.
So I wanted to be somewhere where I can walk, and there are human beings around me that are not enclosed in cubicles. And and so my wonderful friend and totally amazing person, Jonathan, introduced me to this house, and I fell in love with it. And here we are, March 31st, closing date.
And so we like to call this is like the full 360 plus, because we represented the seller, we represented the buyer. We've been working on design with Magda for about a month or so, and we're starting to work through some construction pricing, and we'll be starting the renovation here soon. So should we go take a look at your new house?
Sure.
So one of the things we're going to do is we've got a good stable, sort of good bones is what people call it in the house. Toured it yesterday with the structural engineer, and things look pretty good. So when we're going to take off the top, we're actually going to bring a balcony out onto the front and kind of modernize the front porch. But we've got a good solid, pretty much all concrete and brick porch, so we can add up from that, put a balcony on. One of the things that we're doing is balancing between the new and the old. And so we've got these beautiful hardwood floors that we're going to do the best we can to preserve and refinish. But we're also going to open this side of the house up. So if you can kind of imagine the house is a rectangle, we're keeping kind of an L shape of the bedrooms, and then basically blowing out the back half with a kitchen, adding on to enlarge the master bedroom. We're going to take this wall out here, which we'll get a sneak preview of shortly, and open this ceiling up so that this is open, and then lots of glass above. All the windows are going to be replaced with energy efficient casement windows, more modern, better suited, but we're going to keep the opening so that we basically, again, maintain that difference between the two houses, the new and the old. Right here, probably one of the coolest parts, what we're going to do is all this. So we've got a closet, closet, closet. We're going to open that up. That's going to be the stair going up to the second floor, and then we'll have a balcony overlooking. You got a front porch balcony, we're going to have a back porch balcony, 2 bedrooms, bathroom above. So coming through, we're going to, like I said, we're going to keep these bedrooms somewhat as is. We're going to expand the master bedroom. This becomes the laundry room, and then we're going to tuck up under the stairway a half bath. Then we're going to have office, guest room / workout room, master bedroom, laundry room. It's going to be sweet. Magda loves to entertain and cook.
I love to
cook. She loves to cook, maybe a little bit entertain.
Yeah.
But so we're going to obviously increase the size of this kitchen by basically blowing out here at the back part of the house, and giving it a nice sized kitchen for prep, and then be able to come in from the outside up into the kitchen, so she can pull up the car here, come up, and then dump her stuff off into the kitchen. Now everybody but Magda is sad to see this pool go.
No, Magda's not sad.
So what she does want is a garage, and so on the back half of the house we'll have a screen porch. Again, the balcony, we're gonna have that second floor up here. We'll have a garage back here and a place for the dogs to run. So we're gonna say bye-bye to the pool. We're gonna put up a nice new fence, bye-bye to the trellis, bye-bye to the shed, and really clean up this backyard. So Magda made 2 requests. One was to throw the first punch, but the other was she would not accept a pink sledgehammer. So I wore my pink shirt for it instead. But a lot of groundbreakings, you have like a golden shovel. So instead, for Magda, we created the golden sledgehammer.
Yes!
so
Thank
that
you.
you can inaugurate the
first.
demolition by taking the first strike.
All right, you guys ready?
So
Disperse.
here, so right here. You ready? There you go. Woo! Keep going. That wall's coming down. Go this way. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Keep going.
Judge Rutledge.
Yeah, keep coming this way. And now you're getting your workout in too.
And cheap.
There you go. Feeling better?
Yeah. Thank you. That cured me for the next 10 years.
Yeah. Well, we'll frame it for you. Well, so there you go. Demolition. So Philip, this is day one. Demolition is commenced.
Absolutely.